Knitters. Today, we're diving into an in-depth knitting tutorial that's all about structure, technique, and control. We'll explore how these three essential elements work together to elevate your knitting from basic crafting to true artistry. Let's start by breaking down structure. Structure refers to the fundamental framework of your knitting project. It's the very foundation upon which everything else is built. Think of it as the skeletal system of your knitted piece, providing support and shape. It's about deeply understanding how individual stitches interlock and interact to create the fabric you see and feel. Consider the diverse world of stitch patterns, each one meticulously crafted to create a distinct structural effect. Garter stitch, for instance, is a simple, yet incredibly versatile, reversible fabric with a significant amount of elasticity, making it ideal for scarves and blankets. Stockinette stitch, on the other hand, creates a smooth, flat fabric with a beautiful drape, perfect for sweaters and other garments. The choice of stitch pattern has a profound impact on the final look, feel, and even the behavior of your knitted piece. Next, we delve into technique. Technique is not merely about executing each stitch. It's about the precision and consistency with which you perform those stitches. And this directly impacts the overall structure and quality of your project. Are you knitting with consistent tension, ensuring your stitches are neither too tight nor too loose? Do you maintain a steady gauge, allowing your project to meet the specified measurements? Correct technique ensures your stitches are even and uniform, your fabric has a consistent density, and your project looks polished and professional. For example, if you're working with a complex cable pattern, executing the cable stitch flawlessly, crossing the stitches at exactly the right points, is absolutely crucial to achieving the intended intricate design and visual appeal. Mastering essential techniques like increasing and decreasing stitches to shape your work, casting on in a neat and consistent manner, and binding off securely is undeniably vital for controlling your project's shape, size, and overall finish. Finally, let's consider control. Control is the ability to intentionally manipulate your knitting to achieve a specific, predetermined outcome, bringing your creative vision to life. This encompasses a range of crucial decisions, from carefully choosing your yarn and needles to modifying existing patterns, and skillfully correcting any minor mistakes that might arise during the process. Control is fundamentally about deeply understanding how all these different elements interact and influence each other. For example, the type of yarn you select, its fiber content, weight, and color will have a direct impact on the drape, texture, and even the final weight of your finished project.